This conference will now be recorded.
ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇವಾಗ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ Hello, good evening everyone. Am I audible? Please ping me in the chat box. Thank you. So, how was your experience after the lab setup? Text me in the chat box itself, no problem. Yeah, nice, Yuraj. Good. Zaida, may I know your problem? Like, what is the exact problem what you have? Zaida, are you there? So, okay. So now I'll make you as a presenter. So share me your screen. I can tell you the solution now. Yes, please go ahead, Ma. So now you are a presenter. Just you share your screen and show me the resource file. Yes, yes, yes. Yuraj, what you do is just remove that virtual machine, right click on that, remove from that area, then try to open with the VMX file. Now, if I If you want me to show that complete operation, then I will show you now. Just have a watch once. So look at the screen. See the changes here. So already what you have opened. So simply you click. So if you have any problem, then what you do, remove from this. Again you click. Whenever you are clicking, if that not loaded in this manner, then right click and remove from this area. Then you start from open a virtual machine. Then browse your resource folder, Kali Linux, and select vmx.vmx. So again reopen and browse for Metasploit, select .vmx. So it's loaded, and make ensure that adapter, network adapter, must be in VMnet host only, or else bridged network to work with an internet. Then what you do, power on. Just you press enter key in the same screen. You be on the line 1 minute. So sorry guys. uh, Enter Kali, Kali, press enter key, then again go to Metasploit, over on, run the show. Okay, and make ensure are you getting the internet connections in your Kali Linux. Open terminal here, online space Google, control C, ping -4 google.com, press control C. Hope you all understood. So still if you have any problem in the machine, Yuraj, did you get the solution now? Ping me in the chat box. Okay, are you removed? Okay. Zaida also having same problems. Okay. Will you show me your shared screen once, Raj? Okay. So Yuraj, share your screen now. So many of them have same problem. Raj, am I audible? So now you are a presenter. Please share your screen. I'll try to give a solution. Okay. Okay, that you try later. We will talk about the topics. Okay, so now we'll talk about some of the Linux commands. So whenever you hack a metasploitable machine, so you wanted to understand whether am I hacked the system metasploitable or not. So how do I verify? So to verify, there is a command in Linux is called as host name. So whenever you type host name and press enter key, so which will show you which computer, which what is the name of the exact name of the machine what you have hacked. Okay, so right now I'm in the Kali, so I did not used any hacking mechanism in this Kali Linux. Just I wanted to know what is the name of the computer, so like host name. So this is going to verify which computer it is. And next is similarly, I wanted to know where which user I'm in. So just the name called, so command name is called as who am I. So press enter key. So the username of the computer like a Kali Linux machine is Kali itself. Computer name is also a Kali, and username is also a Kali. Okay, now let's see again. If I type some next command, it is like a date. Okay, if I press enter key, so which will show you the current date. Okay, and next we have a command like uname hyphen a space and press enter key. So which will show you that which architecture of your Kali Linux operating system. So saying that what is the kernel architecture, Kali Linux architecture kernel versions of your Kali machine, which will be displayed in the name of command uname hyphen a. This command is to verify the architecture kernel version. So the kernel version is saying that 6.5, 6.5.0. This is your architecture version. And next you have host name ctl. So this is the name of the command which will show which will fetch the result and show you that what is your complete information of your PC, like name of the computer, and right now this is working on VMware platform, and operating system, kernel, okay, and architecture, and hardware vendor, okay, then hardware model. So like this, the basic information about your computer, just like right clicking on computer and saying that properties, which will show you that complete information. Similar like this, uh, which will fetch belongs to some of the major information of the host name. Okay, and next we have a command called as clear. Okay, if I press enter key for clear, which will delete all commands in the screen whatever I have used. Okay, and next we have a one more command is called as IP address. So if I type IP space address and look at this, the command is not going to work. Okay, let's have this. If I press enter key for IP address, did you notice which is displaying your IP address of this area? So Ethernet 0, this is your IP, real time IP. So now without space, if I type IP address, now press enter key, so saying that command not found. So IP space address, if you type and press enter key, which will have a proper response. Okay, so this command is going to display the list of Ethernet and Ethernet IP addresses. And one more command is there, that is if config. So most of the time what you have used since in the last class onwards. So press enter key and you can see the result here. Okay, this is a real-time IP again, and might be noticing what is a color and in detail information compared to these two. So if config also fetch the information of IP address. IP address also is a command which will fetch the informations of Ethernet 0. And next you have one more command is called as PWD. So PWD stands for present working directory. So press enter key to know about what is your present working directory. So like home, Kali, desktop. So I have taken this terminal from the desktop area. So that desktop area, it was loaded in the username called as Kali. That Kali, all most of the usernames stored under home directory. Okay, hope you all of you understood what is your present working directory. So PWD stands for present working directory. And still, if I wanted to access the list of directories in the same path, so just you type ls. Ls is a command, display list of files and directories. Look at this, but it's not having any directories, subdirectories. So because I'm inside the desktop. Okay, so how do I come out from this? Cd space dot dot and press enter key. Now if I run pwd, see the changes now. So earlier it was under Kali, it was desktop. So now I'm not in the desktop. Okay, cd space dot dot, that is to come out from that one step back. Okay, so now last one, ls commands, you can see the list of directories which are available under Kali folder. Okay, so Kali is a user profile name. Inside that Kali, you have these many folders like my documents, my desktop, and my what is that, downloads, pictures. So whatever folder names you could see in the windows, in the same namespace they have given here itself. Okay, so you can understand what is inside the username folder. You have these many default folders which is created. Okay, so other than this, there are some hidden folders and also files are also available here. Okay, inside this Kali folder. So what you have to do, so to get all the details, so ls -a and press enter key, and you can see this. So where you could see the dot. Okay, so dot, what is represents, those are hidden files. Okay, you can see that dot java, dot local. Okay, and the blue color one, and also you have a white color one. Okay, the blue color, most of them, those are called as directories. Okay, the dot whatever is given here, so those are hidden files. Okay, and next you have there is one more command. I wanted to know the execution permission. Okay, which file have the executable permissions, I wanted to see on each one of the files and folders. So this is also called as metadata. What is it? Metadata. Metadata is nothing but fingerprints of the file. Okay, so now how do I get that metadata, or which file have a execution permission? So like ls space -al and press enter key, and that you could see in the left hand side. Okay, so drwx, rw, read and write. Okay, so r means only read. Okay, w means write. Okay, read, write, execute. X means execute. So like this, there are some user privileges and permissions you will be having on these folders. So this is what, which files have a execute permissions. If you wanted to see, use the command ls-al. And next we have one more command. I wanted to see only the list of directories. I don't want files and all. So type ls space -l and press enter key, and you can see now only the list of folders and executable permissions, and also the permission what you have among the folders that displayed in the command. Okay, the command name is ls space -l. Okay, the question is, sir, I wanted to create my own folder. Okay, so like desktop, document, downloads, downloads, music, pictures. So among this, I want to introduce my name in this. So how do I create a folder? Mkdir space, then you type your name. So in this case, I'm going to use Mallesh and press enter key. So then how can I see this? So type ls space. Okay, only ls is enough. Press enter key, and you could see this, the name ls space hyphen l, that also you can see, and what privileges you have, permissions you have, that also loaded. Sorry. So now the next challenge is, sir, whatever folder I created, so I wanted to open now. So check out what is your present working directory, pwd. So now I'm in kali folder, means home, inside that kali. And if I open cd space mallesh and press enter key, so now you type pwd, and you can see what is the changes you have. Okay, so see the path structure what you had in the earlier. So now what you have, home kali, under kali you have a mallesh. Okay, now the next question is, sir, I wanted to create a file inside the folder. So to create a file, use this command echo space. I'll try to give some name. You are hacked by Godzilla, something like this. Okay, then use greater than sign, and you type the name hacked.txt. So this is the name of the file. This is a message what you are going to be delivered inside this file. Okay, so the command is called as echo, and press enter key. Now you type ls and press enter key again. See this, what the file you have, what is the name of the file you created. And again you type ls space hyphen l and press enter key. Sorry, cd space dot dot cd ls space hyphen l. So now I'm in kali folder, cd space mallesh, enter. Now type ls, press enter key, and you can see the file. So pwd you type, then you can understand where you are in and what file you created. Next, the question is, sir, I wanted to see what the file is created and what the information they have given. So to open the file, so use the command called as cat. Okay, then name of the file hacked.txt and press enter key. So saying that the hackers used to give some notifications or some text, you are hacked by some team, something like this. So they create one file and they'll drop the message, and sometimes they used to make a call to their your landline numbers and saying that your computer system is hacked. So please check, visit your computer, go to login, and make ensure that file has been created, what informations I have used and I have dropped in your computer system. So see to that, like means the conversation it will happen once they're hacked by the system or hacked by the hackers. Clear, right? So how you are going to drop the message in the hacked system. Okay, then next you have there is a time. So now I wanted to say what is my computer system, how long the victim machine is up. Okay, so how can I see? use the command is called as uptime and press enter key. So this 29 minutes. So almost 30 minutes is over. So I started using this machine and one user I was working here. Okay. And one more command is there, only W. Okay. If I type W, which user has logged in and at what time. So press enter key now. Look at this. This is also showing you 29 minutes, one user, and look at this time. Okay, then idle time also will be displaying. Most of the detailed informations you will be having in this area. And one more command here, du. So du means disk usage, and press enter key. You can see here there is some files and folders, but the list whatever is given, this is not readable by the human. Means the file size. Okay, so to read by what I can say, in the KB format, MB format, okay, use DF, sorry, DF space hyphen H, capital letter H, and press enter key. So you can see what is the size. So M stands for megabytes, G stands for gigabyte. Okay, without df space hyphen h, if you type only df, okay, press enter key and see this. So in which manner is good to understand the capacity of your disk format in the readable format. Okay, similarly disk usage, du space hyphen h and press enter key and look at this, which file has MB format, KB format. Okay, earlier it was not displayed when I executed the command only du. Okay, once again I'll run du and just understand. See this, there is no proper informations in the beginning. So again same command du space hyphen h and see this, see the changes now. K stands for kilobytes, M stands for megabytes, so on so. Then next you have uh, lsblk. So partition size, and also I wanted to know the disk which are mounted. Okay, just you press enter key. So this, what is the name of your hard disk and what is the size of this area, and is that mounted somewhere or not, that complete informations you have. The command is lsblk. The next you have parted hyphen l, so which will show you that along with file systems also. Okay, you type sudo space parted Kali, that you can see now. What is the file system now? ext4. So most of the Linux machine will have a file system ext4, and Windows will have a NTFS and FAT file system. Next you have one more command called as free and press enter key, so which will show you that virtual memory. What is a virtual memory you have, that details are displaying, but As of now, that I cannot able to read. So only which is showing that number format. So to understand that, free space hyphen m and press enter key over there and see the changes now. See this. This is a virtual machine, sorry, virtual memory. And similarly, I wanted to see which are the topmost process which are running in my computer system. Live process manager. So to open that, use command called as top top and press enter key so that you can see here itself. Could you see? This is displaying the live process manager. And to stop this, control C, control C. And in Kali Linux, to copy anything, use the shortcut key control shift C, and to paste anything, then control shift V. Copy and paste. In Windows operating system, the shortcut keys for copy and paste is control C, control V. But in the same functions, if I wanted to perform in the Kali, then you have to use control shift C for copy and control shift V to paste. Next we have one more called active process which are running. So the command is ps and press enter key. Clear? Now the question is, sir, I wanted to update my Kali operating system. So to update your Kali Linux operating system, there is a command is called apt-get update. But internet must be required, but we don't know how long it takes. Okay. So when you have proper things, you run it apt-get and type update and press enter key. So this is package list is done. So asking for permission denied. Look at this, permission denied, permission denied, permission denied. When you have this error message number 13, then you type sudo space apt-get update. apt-get update and press enter key. So now it started. So now this has been done. Okay. Now I wanted to upgrade. Upgrade means updating the operating system and also the kernel versions of the Linux will not be upgraded. When I ask the questions, what is the differences between update and upgrade? So when you run upgrading the operating system, and if I wanted to update both kernel and as well as operating system, the command is different right now. So now I'll be using the command is called as sudo space apt get space upgrade. This time I'm using upgrading your operating system. Update is different and upgrade is different. So whenever you put this, operating system is going to updating. Look at this. So stating that newly installed, then 0 percent of upgradations, nothing is there. Okay, now the question is, sir, I wanted to update, or sorry, upgrade both kernel and as well as operating system. So what you have to do again, apt sudo space apt hyphen get space, the command is called dist hyphen upgrade, and press enter key. So this is also done. Okay, so right now most of the commands I've done, and anything I have missed here. Okay, we'll try to run sudo space service apache to start and press enter key. This is going to start apache services. Then you type net start space hyphen and tcp antcp, then grep 80 is a port number. So grep means filter. The command is used to filter. Okay. So I wanted to say the port number 80. Press enter key. That you can see here. So now is asking. So will not be shown. Would have not been root. So root is an administrator account. So now system is demanding and asking to use that root account, and which is showing you which is running now in the TCP after starting this Apache. So press Ctrl C. So use sudo space net start and TCP, then use grep means filter 80. Press enter. Uh, did you notice any options like earlier? It was asking like this, but now in this case nothing is asking. So now system is running with your Apache 2 and port number 80. Press Ctrl C. And to stop the services, type sudo, then service Apache 2, then stop. Press enter key. Now you try to run again sudo net start hyphen and TCP grep 8. So now nothing is started because the services is not executed. When the service is executed with Apache services, then only you can see, you can filter port number 80. Then use Control C to cancel now. Now similarly, I wanted to see what is a UDP protocol. So type sudo net start space an, sorry, hyphen an udp udp, press enter key. So I have only one thing like a udp port number, and then type last, which will to know about that last event what happened, and last hyphen a with details. Okay, press enter key for that. With details you have now, that you can see. So reboot, reboot, reboot. Okay, and what is the time, what is the login time, all the details. Okay, now the question is, sir, I wanted to know how to set that root password. To set the root password, you type sudo space passwd, then root, and press enter key, and asking for a root password, type reverse order toor, toor, press enter key. Again repeat the same password, toor, enter. Now what happened this time, uh, new password is been updated for user account root. So now, so might be have a doubt, sir, I wanted to know much more linux commands details. So what you do, go to Google and type linux cli commands cheat sheets. Go to the image part, and you can have a complete list of commands, linux commands. Open this. So scroll down. You can see the list of commands. You can see the categories like hardware information commands, searching commands, then file related commands, then directory navigation commands, then file compression commands, file transfer commands, user and group commands, then package installation commands. This is what I did now, like sudo apt get update, so on so on. Then this is working for CentOS and Fedora. Okay, then you have universal Linux package. So anything if you wanted to install, just you type sudo apt get and install. Instead of upgrade and update, then you type install and name of the package. And similarly, you have process related commands, whatever just now I have shown you now. And similarly, system management and information commands. file permission commands, network commands, then variable commands, shell commands, history, then shortcut keys, whatever I said. There's a complete details you have in this URL. Hope you all understood here. So check out your WhatsApp group. I have shared that entire URL link of the Linux commands. You go through that and practice whatever I have done. Most of the commands are going to be repeated in the same file, and practice and understand it. Hope you all understood this Linux commands. So previously I explained about Windows related commands, and this would be the Linux based commands to work on the platform of Linux and Windows operating system. After the setup of your Linux ethical hacking setup, so practice this. So all of you, if that understood, you type as yes in the chat box. So just for 5 minutes, try to open the link and check out the list of commands whatever I've done. So most of the commands has been covered in this file or not. You check. Nakshatra, you share me your screen, man. Then I will verify and I'll tell you now. Share your screen now. Okay, click on that power on this virtual machine. Click OK. Click OK again. Okay, so close your VMware and open your computer property of your Windows. What operating system you have, you check once. Windows 11, which edition? Is it Home edition or what edition it is? You have processor, but operating system is not displayed. Uh, which edition it is? My screen is too small. You type in the chat box, no? It is a home edition. It is. I guess it is home edition. Yes, it is home edition. If it is home edition, then it's not going to support. You try to install professional edition or ultimate edition, no? uh, Yuvraj is correct. You can check Nakshatra. You can check that Yuvraj specification what he has posted, like Windows 11 Pro, like that. Hope you understood, Nakshatra. For us is Chandana, then Kartika, Ujesh, Nakshatra, Bindu, Aditya, Arati, Netravati, Adiba, Monica, Saida. Uh, what about your status in the ethical hacking installation? Is been done successfully? Is that done? Okay, Aditya saying everything is okay. Yukta is okay. Okay. Chandana saying that okay, she is done. Okay. Okay. So Saida and Ujesh. Uh, Share me the screen, ma, Ujesh. Saida, I'll take your call, ma. 1 minute. Once if I finish. 1 minute. 1 minute, Yuvraj. Click file, ma. Open. Open a virtual machine. And where is the resource folder? Where is uh, Kali and where is Metasploit?
Sir, in my file manager, it is located at ethical, but I'm not able to find it in the uh, work in the VMware workstation. Like here, it is located in ethical only.
Okay, so go to that ethical folder.
Mm. In the workstation.
So it's in the document folder, right?
Yes, sir.
Browse that document folder, no problem.
It's not showing up only.
Okay. Cancel this.
Okay.
and go to new virtual machine. File, new virtual machine. Hmm.
Mm,
There is a option, click custom.
okay.
New. Yeah, go ahead. Custom, click next. Next.
Which one do I select?
Wait. And select that last option. I will install it. Select Linux. Select Linux. Then click next. Here you select Ubuntu 64-bit. Okay, Ubuntu itself you selected. Okay, go ahead next. Slowly you go.
Which is this number? Okay.
Processor is okay. Then you click next.
Next.
Allocated RAM. Okay, 2 GB is enough. Click next. Select host only network. Use host only network. Click next. Select that. Click next for recommended option. No problem. Click next again for recommended. So now use an existing virtual disk. Use an existing virtual disk. Select second option.
This one or this one?
No ma, go back. Go back and I said that select use an existing virtual disk.
Okay.
Here I said go ahead next. Go to browse. Click browse button.
Clicks. Lag.
VMDK file is not there.
Yeah, it's coming only.
Okay, go to the download folder. Okay, as of now you cancel 1 minute. One more method I would suggest you. Cancel this. Open internet.
Oh,
Close this. Open internet now.
how?
This also you cancel this. Cancel. Visit Google, google.com. Cancel this. Cancel the same screen and open google.com. Ujesh, what you do is go to Google and try to download Kali Linux virtual machine, VirtualBox download. And the very first link, go to uh, get Kali Linux, then click for virtual machine recommended option, scroll down and select the first one, this one. What is that? VMware 3.2G. If you click, then once it is downloaded, then extract the file. After the download, open your folder where you have downloaded and right click on this file, then extract here. After the extractions, then you will get the file like this. And check out .vmx file in this list. Did you understand, Ujesha? Download Kali Linux and Metasploit and extract those things and browse the files. That's all. Then you will get a solution. Then Saida, you show me your problem. Check your operating system, is it in the pro version or not? Open File Explorer, right click and ask for property sheet. File Explorer, then right click on files and this PC. Right click on this PC and choose the property. scroll down. Okay, no problem. So now open your resource folder now once. Which is the extracted folder? Open that extracted folder. Double click. There is that VMX file. Search for VMX file. Mhm. Okay. So now close this folder. I understood what is the problem here. The file is not available, VMX file. Close this. Open your VMware. Click this library panel. Like close that home folder. You close. Right click on Kali Linux. Remove from this entry. Good. Then go to File, New. New virtual machine. Custom. Next. Next. Uh, I will install operating system later. Click Next. Select Linux. Next. Then click Next again for the default. Next. Next. Host only network. Use host only network. Next. Next. Use an existing virtual disk. Click Next. Click Browse. Select the Kali Linux folder. Extracted. Okay. Double click. Select the first one. One. Double click on one. 0001. Click Next. Click OK. So close this. Okay, 1 minute. You cancel this. 1 minute. Okay, go to the resource folder. Okay, so delete the folder what you have extracted. The second folder. Press Shift plus Delete key. Press Delete, holding Shift key, delete. Okay, no problem. And the fourth file, you have Kali Linux. right click. Okay, then go to WinRAR, the bottom second option, and extract Kali Linux. Extract to Kali Linux. Click. Wait for a minute. Jesha, if you can't download your file from the internet, ask one of your friend and copy this Kali Linux and copy into your laptop and extract it. Then you will get a.
No, sir, I was able to do it.
Okay, okay, fine. After downloading, you also follow the same steps, Ujesha. But you have to install WinRAR before that, before extracting. Okay, so once it is extracted, open your Kali Linux. No, 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 sorry, Kali VMware. Sorry, not this one. Open VMware. Go to open file. Open. Browse for Kali. You will be getting now. Select this. Double click. That's all. Now your problem will solve. So now you change your network adapter. Click on network adapter and change that to host only or bridge network, whichever you want that you select. Click OK and power on this virtual machine. So saying that already it's in running. Click OK. No problem. Click inside in the VMware. Yes. So to come out from the screen, press Ctrl Alt. Yeah. Click inside and type username Kali and password is also Kali. Then right click on desktop. Open terminal here. Open terminal here. Hmm. Then type command IP space. Okay, if config, enter. Now you are in 75.129 IP address. Is it clear? Hope you all understood how to solve this problem whenever you are facing. Suppose if you are facing any problem like what she had, So similarly, if you are facing any problem, follow this solutions. So you ask me if you have any doubts other than this. Okay, ma. Stop your screen, ma. No problem. Yes, yes, it's correct. Yes, ma. Okay, so you practice all your commands and go through that URL, and some more you discover and practice and make ensure that Linux commands, Windows commands, and networking commands. Okay, so you practice and make thorough of this area. Then we'll start footprinting from next class onwards. So see you guys. So meet you in the next class. So what about tomorrow? You have you don't have class, right? So as per schedule, there is no class. So our next class will be on Monday. So as per the schedules, according to me, it is Monday, then Wednesday, Thursday, weekly 3 days. So there tomorrow there is a festival. So just I'm taking a confirmation. Okay, so we'll meet up in next class. So see you guys.